Hello, beautiful people. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're one of my returning subscribers, thank you for always coming back to watch my videos, giving them thumbs ups, and even sharing them. And if you're stopping by for the first time, I really do appreciate you clicking on this video. And I can promise you, you're going to learn a lot from this DIY hair growth recipe. So this is a very simple DIY recipe using natural ingredient. And this natural ingredient we're going to use is bay leaf. One thing I love about bay leaves is it is very easy to find in the stores, very affordable. You can either use the dry bay leaves or the fresh ones like so. Bay leaves is one of my favorite natural ingredients when it comes to hair growth. There are so many benefits when you use bay leaves for your hair, and I'm going to tell you all about that. But before getting into that, you know how we do it here. But if you're new here and you do not know how we do it here, we show a whole lot of love around this channel. So please show your girl some love by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you're new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell so each time I upload DIYs for hair growth like these, you will always be notified. And do not forget to share this video with your friends, your families, as well as on your social media platforms. Thank you for doing all that. Alright, so to start with, you need some bay leaves. I decided to use fresh bay leaves today, and I always make sure to wash my bay leaves. You always want to make sure you do a good job when it comes to washing these leaves, because as they sit in the stores, they collect dust, they have dirt and other things on the surfaces that you do not want in your hair. So you want to make sure you are washing them at least twice. After that, you throw them in a saucepan and top it up with water. I didn't use any specific measurement, and that's one thing I love about these DIY recipes because they are natural ingredients. Too much or too less wouldn't harm your hair in any way. So what I did was I just threw some bay leaves in a saucepan like so, then top it up with water. Make sure you put enough water, and again, it all depends on the quantity you are trying to make. So once you have it like so, you put it on the stove and allow it to boil. I left my bay leaves boiling for about 15 minutes. After that, I set it aside and allowed it to cool down completely. After that, I'm going to use a strainer to strain all the bay leaf water out. This water looks amazing. Look at how beautiful the color is already looking. I just love this DIY recipe and the fact that it is so easy and simple to prepare. So if you don't have any of these other ingredients, just the bay leaf water is going to do a great job on the hair when it comes to hair growth. But adding aloe vera juice will take it to the next level. Aloe vera juice can prevent hair breakages. It has vitamin E that will strengthen your hair strands and also help treat your scalp from scalp issues like dandruff and any other thing that is going on that scalp. You don't need much. About 2 tablespoons will do the trick. It all depends on the quantity you are trying to make. Just throw in some aloe vera juice and it will maximize the benefits of this DIY recipe. I also added some castor oil. Castor oil can condition your hair. It is a very thicker oil. When you add it to your DIY recipes, it helps these water-based recipes stay in your hair much longer. Also, I'm going to add some lavender oil. Lavender essential oil is great when it comes to scalp treatment. It improves blood circulation to the scalp and help you grow new healthy hair. So all these are little extras that you can add to your DIYs that can help maximize their benefit. But mind you, just the bay leaf by itself can do a whole lot for your hair. So if you don't have these extras that I added, don't even worry about it. When you apply bay leaves to your roots and your scalp, it has nutrients that can help improve the health of your scalp and also help send nutrients to the roots of your hair. Bay leaves can also stimulate blood flow to the scalp, which will in return help you grow new healthy hair. The great thing about bay leaves is it serves as a conditioner. So it can condition your hair, help prevent hair fall, hair breakages, and hair thinning. Bay leaves has endless, countless number of benefits when it comes to hair growth and also preventing hair breakages. So if you haven't been using bay leaves in your DIY recipes or in your hair growth journey, give it a shot and you will not regret it. Once I have this recipe ready like so, I put some in a mason jar and I put some in a spray bottle. The one I have in a spray bottle, I always add a leave-in conditioner to it. Even though bay leaves helps to condition the hair, adding a leave-in conditioner will also help maximize that benefit. It is going to help it stay in your hair much longer and keep your hair moisturized. I apply this at least 3 to 4 times a week on my hair strands, on my scalp, and massage it in. Always make sure to put your hair in a protective hairstyle. The one in the mason jar, you can use it on your wash days. Use it as your last hair rinse. Once you pour it all over your hair, you're just going to pat your hair with a towel. Then go ahead and apply your hair moisturizer. If you consistently use bay leaves for your hair care routine, you're going to see tremendous changes when it comes to your hair growth and the strength of your hair. I hope this recipe was really beneficial to you. Let me know in the comment section below if this is something you want to try, and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye.